Hello and welcome to Dr. Day. You can learn English with me. All right, this is episode number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Episode 12. Today I'll show you how to use me, you, him, her, and so on, and my, your, his, her, and all the other little things. Okay, they are very important. So listen carefully and make yourselves comfortable. Here we go. Okay, now you know Henry. This is Henry. So Henry is my friend. He often visits me, and I often visit him. Okay, this is Henry. He is my friend, and I'm his friend, okay? My friend, your friend, his friend. Okay? Now, Anne. You know Anne? Wait, I have to prepare a little bit. Yes. Hello, Anne.
Hello.
Well, this is Anne. She's my friend. In English, he is a friend and she is a friend. You cannot say friend woman or friend man. No, friend is man and woman, boy and girl. No problem in English, okay? A doctor is a woman or a man. An architect is a woman or a man. All right. So here we go. Anne. This is Anne. Anne is my friend. She often visits me, and I often visit her. I visit Henry, I visit him, and I visit her. Okay? So now we have two people. Well, Henry and Anne. They are my friends. They are my friends, and I am their friend. They often visit me. They often visit me. Okay? Now, Henry, bye-bye. Anne, bye-bye. Let's see. Now, let's go through a list, and you can read it here. My car, your car, his car, Henry's car, her car. When you have a car and me, then you say our car, our car, our car. And you and your wife, you have a car, so it's your car, your car. It's the same like one person. You have a car, it's your car. And you, 2, 3 people, you have a car, it's your car. And the hardest one is the last one. They, the Millers, for example, they have a car. They have a car. It is their car. Their car. Okay? Let's go through them again. My, your, his, her, our, your, and their car, house, apartment, whatever. Okay? Just try to remember that, okay? So let's take another name, Mira and whatever. So I like Mira, and Mira likes me, okay? So here is the pattern. Mira likes me. Mira likes me. Mira likes you. And Mira likes Henry. Mira likes him. And Mira, she likes Anne, of course. So she likes, or Mira likes, her. Me, you, him, her. Okay, let's put that in a little pattern here. Henry likes me. Henry likes you. Henry likes him, another friend, and Henry likes her. This is me, you, him, and her. In the plural, more people, okay? Henry likes you and me. Henry likes us. Henry likes us. And Henry likes you and you and you and you. Henry likes you. And the hardest again, the last one, with the they, the Millers, okay? Henry likes the Millers. Henry likes them. Henry likes them. So the whole pattern again. He likes me. He likes you. He likes him. He likes her. He likes us. He likes you. He likes them. Okay? I hope it's not too hard for you. Now, listen to the sounds again and read what I have prepared for you here. Read it again and again and again. And see you in episode 13. 10, 3. 13. Bye-bye from Dr. D. Have a nice day.